Hey there, savvy savers. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech and banking tips to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into how to view your OCBC e-statement for 2025. If you're an OCBC customer, staying on top of your bank statements is crucial for tracking expenses, preparing taxes, or just keeping your finances in check. With digital banking evolving fast, this quick guide will have you accessing your 2025 e-statements in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the latest OCBC mobile app installed on your smartphone or access to their website. It's super straightforward. Start by opening the app and entering your login credentials. If you're new, you'll need your OCBC username, password, and probably a one-time PIN for security. Always a good idea to enable two-factor authentication for extra protection. Once you're logged in, navigate to the e-services or statements section. It's usually found in the main menu. Look for an icon that looks like a document or a folder. Tap on that, and you'll see a list of available statements. Now, select the year 2025 from the drop-down menu or filter options. Depending on your account, you might need to choose your account type, like savings or credit card, before proceeding. After selecting 2025, your e-statement should pop up on screen. You can view it directly, zoom in for details, or hit the download button to save it as a PDF to your device. Pro tip: organize these in a dedicated folder on your phone or computer for easy access later. It's a game changer for annual reviews. And just like that, you're all set. Viewing your OCBC e-statement for 2025 is quick, secure, and hassle-free. If you run into any issues, check the OCBC Help Center or contact their support. Don't forget to like this video if it helped, subscribe for more banking hacks, and hit the bell icon for updates. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Stay financial smart.